Today's video is sponsored by The Great Reset. Open your clip in the Fusion page, bring a depth map node in empty space, connect your clip to this, and drag it to the left viewer. Change the mode to faster. If you are brave enough, you can leave it to better. Check the invert box. Open the map adjustment menu, activate the map levels, and adjust the sliders to your liking. Bring a bitmap node in empty space, and connect the depth map to the yellow point of the bitmap. Change the channel to luminance, and if you want to flex to the ladies, you can adjust the high and low points to refine the depth map. Add a brightness and contrast node after your clip. Bring down the saturation slider, and connect the bitmap node to the blue point of the contrast node. Add a zoom blur node after, adjust the sliders to your liking, and again connect the bitmap as a mask to the zoom node. Last thing, bring my favorite soft glow node, adjust the threshold slider, and the glow size. If you want, you can open the color scale and add some ugly colors to your glow. Once again, connect the bitmap node as a mask, but this time make sure that you connect it to the white point of the glow node. Now you can play around with the sliders and pretend that you know what you are doing. If you want to save some time, get my pack and make the ladies go crazy.